To save money for John Marston in Red Dead Redemption 2, focus on these strategies. So complete missions and side quests. Engaging in story missions and side quests not only progresses the game, but also rewards you with money and valuable items. All right? Now, hunt and fish. Hunting animals and fishing can provide resources to sell. Focus on higher value animals for better profits. Sell loot. After completing missions or exploring, collect items, loot, and valuables to sell at a shop or fences. All right, now robberies and heists. So give me a second here, make a good turn. All right, robberies and heists. So you got to participate in robberies and heists when possible. So basically, they can yield significant rewards. All right, now collect bounties. Pursue bounties to earn money by capturing or killing wanted criminals. Minimize spending. Be mindful of purchases. Buy only necessary items and upgrades to conserve your funds. Participate in mini games. Engage in mini games like poker or blackjack for a chance to earn extra. All right, now by utilizing these strategies, you can effectively save money for John in rdr2.